A mother arrives at a rural clinic carrying her feverish child. She understands the symptoms her child is experiencing. The doctor understands the medicine needed to treat those symptoms. Yet neither fully understands the language of the other. Knowledge exists, care exists. The missing infrastructure is language. Every day across Africa, millions of people encounter hospitals, classrooms, courts, and public institutions through languages that institutions often cannot adequately process. Language is not merely communication. Language is access. Access to healthcare, access to education, access to justice, access to dignity. Thiomi Lugha AI is building real-time speech-to-speech and text-to-text artificial intelligence infrastructure for African languages. We designed Thiomi not as a translation application, but as a public service language infrastructure. Thiomi enables multilingual communication across hospitals, schools, courts, humanitarian organizations, and public institutions. We already demonstrate operational systems across Gikuyu, Kemeru, the Luo, Kamba, and Somali. Now, the following is a simultaneous translation of Africa's languages, beginning with Swahili, Kikuyu, Kamba, Kimeru, Luo, and Somali, as we speak the whole thing in English. Artificial intelligence is increasingly shaping who is heard, who participates, and who belongs. Thiomi exists to ensure that African languages and the people who speak them participate fully within that future. African languages must move from person-carried languages to infrastructure-supported languages. Thiomi Lugha AI is building that future now. Thiomi can support healthcare delivery, multilingual education, legal access, humanitarian communication, and emergency response systems. Language infrastructure is also climate infrastructure. Communities can only respond effectively when critical information reaches them in languages they fully understand. Artificial intelligence will increasingly shape who is heard, who participates, and who belongs. Thiomi exists to ensure that African languages and the people who speak them participate fully within that future. African languages must move from person-carried languages to infrastructure-supported languages. Thiomi Lugha AI is building that future now.